You're about to witness the 10 deadliest airplane disasters in human history. Moments where everything collapsed in seconds, and thousands of lives were changed forever. This is the top 10 deadliest airplane crashes. Number 1 will shock you. 10. American Airlines Flight 191, 273 dead. A DC-10 races down the runway in Chicago when suddenly the entire left engine tears off the wing. The aircraft rolls violently, loses lift, and slams into the ground in a massive fireball just seconds after takeoff. It remains the worst aviation accident in United States history. Number 9. Exploded without warning. China Airlines Flight 611, 225 dead. At 35,000 feet, a tiny structural crack suddenly rips open. The Boeing 747 breaks apart mid-air, scattering debris across the ocean. A maintenance mistake made 22 years earlier caused the entire aircraft to disintegrate. Number 8. One of the most controversial tragedies ever recorded. Iran Air Flight 655, 290 dead. The Airbus A300 climbs peacefully over the Persian Gulf until a missile is launched. In seconds, the jet is destroyed mid-air. Its cause and circumstances remain debated to this day. Number 7 is horrifying because everyone should have survived. Saudia Flight 163, 301 dead. A fire erupts in the cabin. The pilots return and land safely, but the cabin is already filled with deadly smoke. The evacuation never begins. Every soul on board is lost on the runway. Number 6. A nightmare at cruising altitude. Air India Flight 182, 329 dead. At 31,000 feet, a bomb detonates inside the cargo hold. The Boeing 747 tears apart instantly. It becomes one of the deadliest acts of aviation terrorism in history. Number 5. A catastrophic engineering failure. Turkish Airlines Flight 981, 346 dead. A DC-10 cargo door blasts open mid-flight. The cabin floor collapses. Critical control cables snap. The aircraft nosedives uncontrollably and crashes into a forest with devastating force. There are no survivors. Number 4. A tragedy in the sky. Saudi Flight 763 and Kazakhstan Flight 1907, 349 dead. Two aircraft approach the same airspace. One is climbing, the other descending, until they collide head-on thousands of feet above India. Wreckage rains down for miles. Number 3. The fall of a modern airliner. Air India Flight 171, 315 dead. Just after takeoff, both engines lose power. The aircraft becomes a powerless giant dropping from the sky. It crashes into buildings below, erupting into a massive firestorm. Number 2 is the deadliest single aircraft crash in human history. Japan Airlines Flight 123, 520 dead. A rear pressure bulkhead fails and explodes. The Boeing 747 loses nearly all control. For 32 terrifying minutes, the aircraft sways, dives, and struggles to remain airborne before crashing into a mountain. And number 1 is the deadliest aviation disaster of all time. The Tenerife airport disaster. 583 dead. Heavy fog blankets the runway. Two Boeing 747s move unknowingly toward each other. One begins its takeoff roll, while the other is still sitting on the runway. Seconds later, a full-speed collision creates the worst aviation disaster the world has ever seen. Aviation disasters are rare, but every tragedy forced new rules, improved safety, and reshaped the skies we fly in today. For more aviation documentaries like this, subscribe, comment your thoughts, like, share, and hit the notification button so you never miss a new video. And check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and fly safe.